hope you guys are doing well. And if you guys have noted, DJI is supposed to be bringing out some new products. Apparently, it's coming out with a new Ronin Pro, possibly the DJI Osmo Action 2, and the most awaited product for the last 3 years or so, which is the DJI Mavic 3. But today's video is not going to be about the new product. Today's video is going to be about the product that changed the game. And about 5 years and 2 months ago, this product came out to the market. And this is the original DJI Mavic Pro. This drone, which I own and it's about 5 years old, I still fly it once in a while. This is an amazing drone. This drone changed the game. It was the first compact drone with a pretty good gimbal for its time, and it was foldable, 4K, it had a pretty good range, it had a regular mode, portrait mode, which some manufacturers are trying to bring that to the market at this time. So this amazing drone, which came out about 5 years ago, this amazing, the original Mavic Pro, changed the game. This is the drone that changed the game. So I took out my drone and I started flying just a bit, just to take some shots. And I took this few videos, and still this drone is taking great pictures. Let's keep in mind this drone is 5 years old, so it's taking great pictures, 4K, and they look pretty crispy. So the point of this short video is to show you guys that even an old drone, which was the best of its time, it could take great video still. And if you make a product that is actually very good, great technology, very well made, and of course DJI makes amazing products, they can still last for a very long time and still get great pictures. So guys, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the original and only DJI Mavic Pro.